Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix not playing video in Premiere Pro. And for this I have 4 solutions. The first solution is go to Edit, Preferences, Media Cache, and make sure that you click on Delete Unsent Media Cache Files, OK, and do OK, because now we delete the cache and sometimes it works after this. The second solution is when we go to Edit, Preferences, and then right here we go to Audio Hardware and make sure that the device class is standing on MME and not on ACO, because sometimes that is the reason why it won't work. Then I have 2 other solutions, and that is when you are doing your playback in Premiere Pro, make sure that this is standing not on full, because this costs a lot of space, and if you are decreasing your resolution on the playback, it works a lot better. Then the other solution is please make sure that you render in by clicking on I right here, throw this to the end and then click on O, and then we click on sequence, render into out, and then after it will be very much smoother to do your playback in Premiere Pro. So these are the 4 solutions. Hopefully one of them helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.